Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to download and play World of Warship on your device or PC. So to download World of Warship on device, you have to first of all log in into your web browser or open up a browser. And on the web address bar, go ahead and type in the link that is worldofwarship.com. It's going to take you to the official page, which is going to look something like this. So first of all, you could go ahead and press on play for free, or you could go ahead and install it. So I'm just going to go ahead and press on play for free first of all, as I'm going to register myself into World of Warship. So basically you could go ahead and create your account. So you could select either your Amazon account, Facebook, Google, or Twitch as well, or you could manually enter in your email address, all that. So I'm going to go with the email address. So type in the following information. After you've done that, go ahead and click on play for free located right at the bottom. And so once you've registered yourself, now you could go ahead and click on download game, look at right over here. As you press on it, it's gonna load the exe right on top, and then you could go ahead and press on it or double press on it and start installing the game. So that's how you could go ahead and download World of Warship on your device. And that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.